If you're looking to boost engagement or capture more leads on your website, pop-up forms in HubSpot are a fantastic tool to help you make it happen. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through creating a pop-up form from scratch inside HubSpot. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to design, target, and launch eye-catching pop-ups that attract the right visitors and fit seamlessly into your marketing strategy. Let's jump right in. First, we need to create a new form in HubSpot. Start by heading to your HubSpot dashboard. Over on the left-hand navigation menu, click on Marketing, then find and select CTAs. This stands for Call to Action, which is where HubSpot organizes your forms and promotional elements. Up at the top right corner, you'll see a button labeled Create Form. Go ahead and click that. Now, HubSpot will ask you to pick what kind of form you want to make. Since we want a pop-up, select Pop-up Form and click Next. HubSpot even gives you different styles like pop-up box, drop-down banner, or slide-in box. Each has a slightly different feel, so take a moment to think about what matches your website best. The pop-up box is classic, bold, and hard to miss, while slide-ins are a little gentler, sliding in from the lower corner. If you're unsure, you can preview these styles later, so don't worry about locking into one right now. Once the form is created, it's time to customize the content and design. This is where you make your pop-up grab attention and collect the information you need. Let's start with the call-out section. Here, you can add text that clearly communicates what you're offering or asking for. Maybe it's subscribe for weekly tips or download our free ebook. You can also add an image to make it visually engaging. A smiling person, product photo, or fun icon can make your pop-up way more inviting. Next, set up the form fields. Simply drag fields like name and email from the left pane into your form. This drag and drop setup makes it easy to tailor the form for your purpose, whether it's newsletter signups, event registration, or feedback. Keep in mind, simpler forms usually get more submissions, so only ask for what's truly necessary. Once that's done, don't skip editing the thank you message. This is what your visitors will see after they hit submit. A warm little note can make them feel appreciated. You can also offer a direct action here, like giving them a download link or pointing them to another page. This step takes just a minute and can really polish the user experience. With the form looking great, let's set the targeting rules. Click over to the Targeting tab. Here's where you get to choose exactly where and to whom this pop-up appears. Think about your goals. Do you want everyone to see it or only visitors to your pricing page? Maybe you want to target people from a certain country or folks who are returning visitors. Setting the right audience helps your pop-up feel relevant rather than intrusive. You'll also configure triggers. Should the pop-up appear after someone scrolls halfway down the page, after they've been on the site for 10 seconds, or just as they're about to leave? These options help you catch the visitor at just the right moment. Don't rush this part. A well-timed pop-up is key. You can also set a frequency so users aren't bombarded every visit, which keeps things friendly and non-annoying. Almost done. Let's move to the Options tab. Here, you'll find a few final preferences, like disabling the form on mobile devices if you think it might interfere with the browsing experience on small screens, or associating the pop-up with a specific marketing campaign for better tracking. Take a moment to preview your pop-up using HubSpot's built-in tool. Drag your browser window to different sizes to see how it adapts, and make sure everything looks just right. Sometimes a tiny tweak makes a huge difference. Once everything feels solid, hit Review and Publish or Publish Now to make your pop-up live. And that's it. You've created a targeted, visually appealing pop-up form in HubSpot, ready to start collecting leads or driving action. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. And if you've got any questions or want to share your own pop-up form tips, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more practical HubSpot and marketing tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck with your new pop-up form.